Who is Farouk Kibet?
Unajua watu wanasikiaga Farouk.
Huyu Farouk ni mtu tofauti. Hata hao watu wa kuandika magazeti hawajui waandike anaitwa nani.
Lakini huyu Farouk
Kibet.
The life and influence of Farouk Kibet. Humble beginnings. The camera pans over the serene, rolling hills of Kapkechui village in Chepsaita Ward, Turbo constituency, Uasin Gishu County, Kenya. This is the birthplace of Farouk Kibet, a man whose journey from a modest upbringing to becoming one of Kenya's most influential political figures is both compelling and inspiring. Born in the late 1960s, Farouk's early years were marked by simplicity. Growing up in a close-knit community, he experienced the challenges of rural life firsthand, which later shaped his dedication to service. His education was rooted in the local schools, and from a young age, he displayed a keen interest in leadership and public service, early political aspirations. Farouk's political journey begins in the 1990s. He emerges as a dynamic youth leader under the Kenya African National Union, KANU party, advocating for his community's needs. His passion and dedication earn him the trust of the people, leading to his election as a...
Kama mjai kusikia dikteta ni Farouk Kibet. Na unajua yeye hana ofisi, lakini hapo na corridor ingine ambaye inaitwa the corridor
counselor. These formative roles allow him to hone his skills in political strategy and grassroots mobilization. Through determination and networking, Farouk aligns himself with William Ruto, then a rising star in Kenyan politics. This partnership becomes the foundation of his eventual influence as he dedicates himself to Ruto's vision for Kenya, becoming the president's right-hand man. Fast forward to the 2000s, and Farouk Kibet is now a key figure in William Ruto's inner circle. His official title is that of a personal assistant, but his role goes far beyond that. Farouk is a strategist, confidant, and enforcer, managing political engagements and ensuring the president's agenda is executed seamlessly. His reputation as a loyal and efficient operative grows. Farouk is described as the gatekeeper to the president, controlling access and serving as a bridge between Ruto and other political leaders. This role solidifies his position as one of the most influential figures in Kenyan politics, influence and controversy. With power comes scrutiny, and Farouk Kibet is no stranger to controversy. Accusations swirl regarding his involvement in various political intrigues, including the 2007 post-election violence and the National Youth Service (NYS) scandal. Yet despite these allegations, no substantial evidence is brought against him. Farouk's ability to navigate such challenges only underscores his resilience and political acumen. Behind the scenes, he is also a man of faith and philanthropy. Farouk's deep religious convictions drive him to support over 100 churches in his local area. His commitment to education sees him funding schools and scholarships for underprivileged students, leaving a lasting legacy in his community. The man behind the mask. While Farouk Kibet wields immense power, he maintains a low public profile. Rarely giving interviews or making public appearances, he prefers to work behind the scenes. His enigmatic nature fuels curiosity and speculation, but those who know him speak of his unwavering loyalty and dedication to his principles. The story takes us to his family life, his love for his community, and his vision for a better Kenya. Interviews with those close to him paint a picture of a man deeply committed to his country and its people, yet aware of the complexities of political life. Legacy in the making. As the credits roll, We see Farouk attending a church service in his village, surrounded by people whose lives he has touched. His journey from Kapkechui to the corridors of power in Nairobi is a testament to his determination and the role of strategic partnerships in shaping modern politics. Farouk Kibet's story is one of resilience, loyalty, and influence, a narrative that highlights the power of ambition and service in shaping a nation's destiny.